In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Photos Search. Google Photos can be a powerful tool for organizing and finding your images. It allows you to search using a variety of criteria. You can search by people, places, objects, dates, and even text within photos. Let's dive into how you can make the most of this feature. First off, open the Google Photos app on your phone. Depending on whether you are using Android or iOS, you'll see the search option either at the bottom or at the top of the screen. Tap on the Search tab. Once you've entered the search section, tap on the search bar. This is where the magic begins. Type in what you're looking for using natural language. This means you can search for terms like beach, birthday party, or even someone's name like John. You can also be more descriptive by searching for phrases like sunset in Davao or selfies. Google Photos scans your library to show matches. It's a very intuitive system designed to understand common phrases and terms. This step is crucial for narrowing down thousands of photos to just a handful. Now let's say you want to find images of specific people. If Face Groups is enabled in your app, this becomes very straightforward. You can type a person's name if you've labeled them, or you can tap on People and Pets and select a face from there. For example, type Mom or Alex Wedding to see relevant images. This feature is particularly useful because it helps you find cherished memories with specific people easily. Next up, you can search by places. Type the name of a city, a country, or any specific location, provided your photos have location data. For instance, typing Davao will bring up all pictures taken in that city. Location-based searches take advantage of metadata stored with your images, making it easier to find photos from a certain trip or event. After that, let's move on to searching by date. You can search for a specific year like 2023, a month and year like June 2025, or even phrases like last summer. Google Photos will filter images from the time period you specify. This is particularly handy when you're trying to find photos from a particular occasion or season. Following this, you can search by objects or scenes. Google Photos is smart enough to recognize objects automatically. You can type terms like food, car, mountains, or concert to find related images. This capability can save you a lot of time since the app does the heavy lifting of identifying objects for you. Moreover, Google Photos offers the ability to search using text inside photos. This feature uses optical character recognition, or OCR. You can find images with text by typing words like receipt, menu, or passport. You can even search for exact words in screenshots. Using quotes around your search term will help you get more exact matches. If your search isn't working well, there are a few tips that might help. Ensure that backup and sync is turned on so all your photos are in the cloud. Make sure Face Groups is enabled for better person recognition. Also, confirm that your photos are fully uploaded to Google Photos. If you've just added new photos, wait a few hours to allow the system to process them. With these steps, you should be well on your way to mastering Google Photos Search. Enjoy finding your memories effortlessly with this powerful tool. Thank you for watching.